Hi, this is Shay Veronica, and it is day number 7. Today is Sunday, and this is my one meal per day plan. It is how I like to eat, it is how I stay thin, and it is what makes me happy, okay? So today I had a T-bone steak. I had a steak and I did it in a skillet, and it was delicious. Very, very soft, succulent. And that's what I had today. Yesterday I did potatoes. I had some left over, and I did potatoes today. And again, I coated I before I ate the steak, I ate an avocado. I don't know why, but I do. I coated my stomach with the avocado. I ate the avocado first, maybe a half an hour before I even started to eat the steak. In fact, while I was cooking the steak, I was spooning out the avocado from the skin out. So I had an avocado, an entire avocado. Then I had steak and potatoes, and I washed it down with coconut water. No beer today, no alcohol in my system today. I'm not a drinker per se, but the 4th of July, I bought a whole bunch of beer. I was trying to get rid of it, so I had a beer yesterday. Today, I'm having just coconut water, and it's something that I do. I think about what I've eaten. I don't eat like just because I feel like eating something or drinking something. I always think like, what did I eat yesterday, and how is this going to impact me? And I always think before I put something in my mouth. So yesterday I had a burger. Today I'm having steak. Now I'm not going to see any red meat for the next 2 or 3 weeks. But today I had a steak, potatoes, avocado, and I'm washing everything down with coconut water. And throughout the day I will drink coconut water. Shay Veronica.